Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 job and looking for ways to make money online? Look no further than Sharestream, the platform that allows you to earn passive income from your investments. With Sharestream, you can make money 40,000 to 100,000 Naira on monthly basis from the comfort of your own home without the need for any prior experience or technical skills. In this video, we will show you how to get started and make money online with Sharestream. Without further ado, let's check this video. Hello and welcome to Femtech Studio. I will break down the ultimate guide on how to make money online with Sharestream. Sharestream is a platform that allows you to get reward from your investment and earn passive income from your investments. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with Sharestream. This video will cover the following. What is Sharestream? Who can benefit from Sharestream? How to purchase any of the package and how to maximize your earnings. Advertising your business. Proof of payment to those who were paid today, 21st June 2023. Before we proceed, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. What is Sharestream? Sharestream is an online WhatsApp earning social project where streamers, which are called the users of the Sharestream platform, come together to harness the power of WhatsApp engagement in making substantial income generation daily by sharing daily social tasks to their daily WhatsApp status, thereby making legitimate income in their daily lives. Who can benefit from Sharestream? Sharestream is designed as a WhatsApp aggregate leverage earning platform for everyone who wishes to get engaged with legitimate tasks and make money performing simple WhatsApp social tasks to make them get informed and entertained with our simple tasks. We are a legitimate revenue stream strictly based on WhatsApp social engagement for you to convert your time and tasks to mouth-watery gains such as income with us, how to create an account. Creating an account. To get started with Sharestream, you first need to create an account. Simply go to the Sharestream website with the link below. Make sure you use my link to get a discounted fee and follow the prompts to create your account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Follow the prompt. For the package activation code, contact me. Presently, Sharestream has two packages called Sharestream LITE and Sharestream Pro. Registration fee for Stream LITE 4,000, while Sharestream Pro 15,000. Stream activities like daily login is 50 Naira, 100 Naira. Welcome bonus 500 Naira, 2,000 Naira. Sharestream task 340 Naira, 1150 Naira. Now to earn faster on Sharestream. If a friend of yours chooses to register under you with Stream LITE, you get 2,000 Naira for direct referral and 120 Naira for direct referral. Well, for Sharestream Pro, you get 7,050 for direct referral and 450 Naira for indirect referral. Note referring is not compulsory. You can share only daily posts and still make money. Now that you have a knowledge of the package, message me for your activation code. Once you have the code, then you can continue with the registration and follow the prompt. Next, advertising your business. One of the most important aspects of Sharestream is advertising your business, which will help you to boost your personal business sales. Withdrawing your earnings. Finally, when you are ready to withdraw your earnings, Sharestream makes it easy to do so. Simply log into your account and follow the prompts to request a withdrawal. You received the money in few minutes. You can only withdraw twice, every week, Wednesday, Sunday, and automatic withdrawal every month. Here are some proof of payment, and there you have it, the ultimate guide to making money online with Sharestream. By following these simple steps, you can start earning passive income from your investments today. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Sharestream now and start investing in your financial future.